Imagine waking up tomorrow. Your phone won't turn on. Your laptop dead. Every car with a computer chip stopped. Hospitals dark. Fighter jets grounded. The financial system frozen. This isn't science fiction. This is what happens if one company disappears. A company you've never heard of, but controls your entire life. Welcome to the most dangerous monopoly on Earth, and the silent war being fought over it. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. You don't know them, but they know you. Every time you unlock your phone, TSMC. Every AI calculation Nvidia runs TSMC. Every Tesla on autopilot TSMC. They make 92% of the world's most advanced chips. Not 50%. Not 70%. 92%. Samsung makes some chips. Intel, Trias. But the cutting-edge technology. The chips that power AI. The processors in military drones. Only TSMC. Apple pays them $17 billion a year. Nvidia $10 billion. AMD, Qualcomm, all of them completely dependent on this one company, located on an island 100 miles from China. That wants it back. 1987. Taiwan, a 56-year-old engineer, has a crazy idea. Maurice Chang just got fired from Texas Instruments. Spent 25 years climbing the ladder. Then, nothing. Taiwan's government calls him, come home. Build us a semiconductor industry. At 56, most men retire. Chang had other plans. Back then, if you wanted chips, you designed them and manufactured them. Intel did both. Samsung did both. Chang saw the inefficiency, and he had a radical idea. What if we only manufactured? Companies design, we build. Everyone thought he was insane. No one wanted to share designs. Giving your blueprints to someone else? Corporate suicide. But Chang made a promise. We will never compete with you. We'll make your chips, not ours. Slowly, companies believed him, and the foundry model was born. Today, it's the only model that works. Chang didn't just build a company. He built a religion. So why can't anyone copy TSMC? Intel tried. Samsung tries. China is trying with $150 billion. TO filed because TSMC has something no one else has. A machine that costs $380 million. Per machine, made by one company in the Netherlands. ASML. The most important company you've never heard of. They make extreme ultraviolet lithography machines. These machines use light with a wavelength of 13.5 nanometers. 2-edge circuits, smaller than a virus. A human hair is 75,000 nanometers wide. TSMC's transistors, 3 nanometers. They fit 300 million transistors in a space the size of your fingernail. And it takes 3 months to make one chip. Over 1,500 steps. If one step fails, the entire chip is ruined. Intel tried to build these machines. Took too long. Samsung tried. Couldn't match the precision. China's blocked from buying these machines. The US government made sure of that. So, TSMC has a 5-year head start. Minimum. And by the time you catch up, they're already ahead again. But there's a problem. Taiwan is 100 miles from China, and China wants Taiwan back. Not eventually. Now. President Xi has made it clear. Taiwan belongs to China, and if necessary, he'll take it by force. The Pentagon knows this. They ran these simulations. China invades Taiwan in 2025 or 2026. The US responds. But here's the nightmare scenario. TSMC's fabs are destroyed in the crossfire, accidentally or on purpose. Because TSMC has a plan. If China invades, TSMC will destroy its own factories. The Silicon Shield strategy. Make the invasion pointless. If you can't have the chips, no one can. Maurice Chang himself confirmed this. We have protocols. But the US isn't sitting still. The CHIPS Act, $52 billion to bring chip making back to America. TSMC is building a fab in Arizona. Intel is getting billions to expand. But here's the truth, it won't be enough. The Arizona fab won't make cutting-edge chips. Intel is still 3 generations behind, and even if they catch up, it'll take a decade. Meanwhile, China is preparing. 2027 is the year analysts fear most. The year it all might happen. So what happens if Taiwan falls? Every iPhone production line stops. Every AI data center goes dark. Every new car can't be built. The global economy loses $2 trillion in the first year alone. Your phone becomes a brick. Your laptop obsolete. No upgrades. No replacements. We're talking about a civilization-level event. Not a recession. A regression. Back to 2010 technology. Maybe worse, because we've built our entire world on chips made in one place. By one company on one island, 100 miles from a superpower that wants it. This is the most fragile supply chain in history. And we're all pretending it's fine. TSMC isn't just a company. It's the linchpin of modern civilization, the single point of failure for everything we depend on. And right now, that point of failure sits in the crosshairs of a global conflict. The question isn't if this becomes a crisis, it's WHEN. And we have no plan B. Welcome to the world's most dangerous dependency. Sleep well.